Ladies and gentlemen, now it is time for the keynote address. I would invite Mr. Puneet Gupta, VP and MD NetApp India SARC, to address the 19th Infotech Forum. Mr. Puneet Gupta is the Managing Director, Marketing and Services at NetApp India. He is responsible for the overall business and operations of NetApp in India and SAARC region. His role includes driving the data fabric experience, managing strategic partnerships, and developing hybrid multi-cloud solutions. Puneet is an industry veteran with more than 2 decades of experience across business management, sales, and channels in the IT industry.
Okay, good morning, everyone. And firstly, there's a big thank you to Deepak ji and his team for inviting us to this event. Really a privilege to be here with all of you. And just as a quick introduction, my name is Puneet Gupta, and I lead all of NetApp's business in India and SAARC. I think, there couldn't be a more opportune time for us to have this conversation. And what I want to do in the next about 15 odd minutes is to just give you a view of where is NetApp headed, what's our relevance to each one of you in the work that you do, and how will NetApp be a strategic partner to you in your digital transformation journey. So I think that's what we want to do over the next 15 to 20 minutes. So let me jump right in. So first, I think, digital transformation is not something very new. And a lot of people spoke about it. It was widely discussed for the last about 5 or 6 years. But it really got accelerated with the pandemic because now it became an issue of survival. Now it became a necessity rather than good to have, and it was like a must have. And I think a lot of companies have really thrived and survived by joining this bandwagon of digital transformation, aligning their businesses more and more to it. And good, bad, ugly, a lot of the physical world moved on to this whole digital world. And I can share a personal experience that I joined NetApp during the pandemic when everything was locked down somewhere around April 2020. And what I realized was that even though that the physical world at that time was completely shut, and if you folks remember, that's a time when the pandemic had just started, but we could still conduct our business because the company was so digitally ready at that point in time. Even for a day, we didn't feel as if that moving from physical to the digital world is really hurting our ability to go and execute. So clearly, I think digital transformation is something that's important to each one of you. The second thing, and I'm sure many of you have heard this a whole lot of times earlier as well, that data is going to be, like they say, it's the new oil. And this is the term I heard many years back. But it's going to be the most unique or the most protectable competitive advantage, right, for a lot of enterprises in the future. And in my view, I think there are ways you can optimize this whole digital transformation, and the focus is going to be on the data. Now, data is going to come in a whole lot of different ways. Data can be sitting on your on-prem, it can be on private cloud, public cloud, it can be core or edge, and especially with 5G now going to be a reality in times to come. Your data will be sitting in multiple places, and the word data center will have a completely new meaning. So how your data is going to sit, where it's going to sit, is going to change. And a company like NetApp is, that's our expertise, to be able to manage the data. And I'll talk a little more about that as we go forward. Now, what we hear from analysts, that 93% of enterprises have a multi-cloud strategy, which means that enterprises don't want to get locked with one public cloud vendor. They want to have options of 2 or 3. That 87% of enterprises have a hybrid cloud strategy. Now, one thing I can tell you, at least in the India context, and I'm sure most of you will agree with it, CIOs are telling us that on-prem is not an option. It's not going to go away. On-prem has to be there. At the same time, CIOs are also saying that cloud is going to be part of their strategy and acceleration of on the cloud will only go up. So now there will be a world for most large enterprises where they will have their whole lot of applications sitting on-prem, but they will also have a lot of workloads sitting on public cloud. And they need to manage them both seamlessly without having to go through the complexity of moving data back and forth or just the operations or just the management of that data. And both of these points, which analysts are now calling, are going to be very important as NetApp builds its strategy going forward. Now, clearly, what's our strategy? Is to apply our rich data-centric software innovation, and we want to help customers really succeed in this hybrid cloud world. And really, we are doing two things. One is bring the simplicity and flexibility of cloud to the enterprise data center, which is what enterprises really want, and to get the enterprise data services to public cloud. And what this means is that if I'm a customer and I really want to go to public cloud, I should get the same look and feel. I should get the same performance. I should be able to manage my cost effectively while having the advantage of the public cloud. So I don't want to be on public cloud and then having to think that when I was on-prem, we had such a great feature functionality and so many advantages, and which we are not getting on public cloud. So customers should not have to go through pains and challenges of taking their business to public cloud. And I know that I've spoken to many customers. In fact, there are few, and there is a little community that's building, which is saying that we really want a repatriation back to the on-prem world. And I hope that this remains like a small, community, because if there are challenges on really adopting public cloud or scaling, then NetApp is coming with a strategy and solutions that will take the pain away, that will take the challenge away, and allow you to boldly embrace this entire strategy. Now, if you look at it, how are we really going about this strategy? I think first and foremost that in the on-prem world and in the traditional world that we've been a market leader in, NetApp is recognized by industry analysts as clearly a leader in unified storage. If you look at Gartner's Magic Quadrant, we are right on top. If you look at object storage, we are clearly a leader as per IDC. And if you look at converged infrastructure, we are again a leader as per Gartner. And if you were to see what the analysts are saying, if you see the technology, the innovation which NetApp is bringing to the table, clearly in the traditional on-prem world, NetApp is one of the most respected and valued technology companies in this space. So I think that's the first part of our story. The second is around ONTAP. And ONTAP is the operating system that NetApp has used for over 25 years. And ONTAP is at the center of not only our past, but also of our future. And I think it's this ONTAP that will clearly tie in beautifully and help our customers in this journey from on-prem to a hybrid cloud model. It clearly is the most powerful and the most cloud-connected storage operating system today. It's also one of the most efficient in the market. Whether it's data centers of enterprises or it's in the cloud, it's really becoming a foundation of growth. And that a lot of the hyperscalers are building this as native first-party service, which is a big statement. The hyperscalers which are expanding so rapidly on their public cloud model are embracing NetApp's ONTAP and selling it as a first-party service because they believe that not only is this cutting edge, but this will offer powerful value to their customers. And again, our strategy remains the same, which is apply our rich data-centric software innovation and help the customers thrive in the hybrid cloud world. So our traditional data management technology, and our ONTAP innovation and the way we are moving forward is going to be at the center of what we do in the future. And I will talk a little more about that as we go. In the public cloud world, I think one of the most important things is how do you partner effectively and how do you offer the best to the customers? I think our partnership globally with the 3 hyperscalers has been absolutely amazing. Like I said, many of them offer first-party services, the tight integration, the understanding of their model, and then for NetApp to bring out solutions and largely software solutions that will help customers, sorry, in that journey is absolutely amazing. And which is why we say that NetApp unlocks the best of cloud. I think this partnership that we've built globally and the technology that we have is a unique combination of why NetApp technology will be so unique and so powerful for our customers. Now, really the part that has done so well for us is the whole cloud volume technology, what we call Cloud Volume ONTAP. And it's available with all the hyperscalers. It's a very powerful solution that allows customer to have one common data fabric across on-prem, private cloud, and public cloud, edge or core. And honestly, if you ask me, we don't care where the data sits. It can be sitting anywhere. Our job is to manage that data effectively for you. Our job is to make sure that you're oblivion to all the stuff in the backend. You're oblivion to where the data is sitting. All you want to do is have access and manage that data as what your business requires. And this is what CVO is really bringing to the table, which is an innovation of ONTAP. It's a powerful link between the world that we are coming from and which is still relevant today, and the world that we are moving into. And I think it's this strategy that will propel NetApp at the center of what most enterprises are going to do. Now, most of you as practitioners of IT will know that the whole story eventually comes down to workloads. And it's how you manage these workloads, how you make them more efficient, how do you optimize them, and how do you make sure that the underlying infrastructure and the technology serves the workloads for the purpose that they are being deployed. Whether it's enterprise databases or now everybody talks about artificial intelligence or public and private clouds, infrastructure foundation is going to be absolutely fundamental. And I think what the company is trying to do is to remove customer pain points with simple business solutions. I can tell you there is nothing complex or out of the world in this. It's just about thinking about your pain, about your problem, and finding a solution that will take this pain away. And I can also tell you that a lot of these solutions are not expensive or they are not high ticket items. I mean, they are not the ones that will go into millions and millions of dollars. They are much they're like very price effective for what they do, but they are very powerful in what they deliver. So I think the ability to manage the erstwhile technology, look at the whole public cloud and the hybrid cloud world, and then to be able to bring it together by focusing on workloads is what makes the story extremely powerful. If you see how NetApp does globally across the industries and companies, we probably are there in every part of the industry, every single one. In many of them, we are like 10 out of 10, we are 9 on 10, 8 on 10, and so on. If you see from a India standpoint, some of the largest banks, telcos, cloud companies, or even born in cloud companies, manufacturing companies, some of the biggest names are ones that use NetApp, right? For example, we have this great partnership with State Bank of India, which is the largest bank in India. Amazing work, that we've done by going and partnering with them, and I don't have to tell you the kind of scale which they have and the kind of technology challenges that business will ask to serve. Similarly, we've got like hundreds of customers across every single industry that we've gone and catered to, including the IT/ITES part of the world, which really serves the whole world. I mean, all of you know that India is a technology hub, and India has built an IT services world, which is not only catering to India but the entire global need. So I think the point that I'm making is that NetApp has been very well accepted, embraced by customers around the world, by almost all the industries that one can go think of. If I were to summarize this as I come to an end, NetApp unlocks the best of cloud, and be it hybrid, private or public or on-prem. And I think NetApp is very uniquely positioned to allow customers to take the maximum advantage on their cloud journey. We probably are also uniquely positioned to be the only one truly prepared for this market transition. I think many other tech players have struggled a little bit around it or are trying to make progress, but I think we are that way uniquely prepared. We want to bring the cloud experience to a hybrid environment, and vice versa. We want to get an on-prem experience to the cloud. By doing that, we kind of make sure that customers get the best of both the worlds and have the advantages of both, rubbing off on the other. So if there is greatness in the cloud, then customers want to see this coming on-prem. And if there's greatness on-prem, people want to see that coming on the cloud. And I think finally, it's about workload-focused solutions, because that's what matters. I mean, if as a customer, you are either running an SAP or a core banking or a CDR solution and so on, what your focus is that application should go serve the customer or the user, and the application should get the right support from the infrastructure to be able to do what it needs to do. So I will end by saying that we've come a long way from a time when data management used to be largely around on-prem and with these big boxes or with this big solution, to now into a world where we will manage data irrespective of where it sits. And we've embraced cloud like nobody else. We have all of these unique solutions. And for those customers who have embraced cloud and see their monthly bill rising far more sharply than what they would want it to be, then we also have a solution with the acquisition of Spot, where we can optimize the resource and help them to go mitigate some of those rising costs. So in summary, I think it's a world that we are really looking forward to, and it'll be a privilege to have the opportunity to work with you, to engage with you, to take you through more in detail in terms of what will work to your environment. With that, I come to an end. Thank you very much. Really appreciate this time and the opportunity to be able to talk to you.
Thank you, Mr. Puneet. What a wonderful presentation. As new technologies mature, they will become increasingly available and more affordable for business to begin experimentation. We have to keep empowering our customer with limitless solutions.